Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on July the 5th. We did an almost pretzel, an arm jive teapot, a comb lean, and a Manhattan progression. Now, if you need a more detailed teach of any of those moves, then all you're going to have to do is look in the description below where there's a link to each of those things. This is just a reminder of how everything went together. So we're going to start off left to right for the almost pretzel, where we did both versions, and it looked like this. It went 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the Manhattan progression, you could have done it longer and you could have done it with more repetitions on the spot before doing the transitions, but again, information for that is in the teach below. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves and found it useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.